Ryan just signed for a brand new car. Alex just bought the same model, used, 3 years old, half the price. Ryan feels like he won. Alex feels like he won. One of them is about to lose thousands and not even realize it. They're both wrong, because the average new car loses $4,334 in value this year alone. And the average used car, it's not the bargain it used to be either. Two traps, same price tag. Almost nobody sees either one coming. Let's keep this fair. Same income, $58,000 a year. Both of them. Same target car, a $32,000 sedan, new off the lot, or 3 years old with 36,000 miles on it. Same money, same car. The number on the sticker isn't the number that matters. Here's what the dealership shows Ryan first. $3,400 down, $748 a month. New car, manufacturer warranty, zero surprises. Ryan feels great about this. Now here's Alex's offer. $2,200 down, $532 a month. Lower price, lower payment. Alex feels like he's already ahead. 2 monthly payments, one number everybody looks at. But Alex's rate, 11.40%, almost double what Ryan is paying. A monthly payment was never the full picture. Year 1. Ryan's life is simple. Something breaks? Covered. Brakes, AC, electronics. Ryan's only costs? Payment, insurance, gas. Alex's car just lost its safety net. Most warranties last 3 years, 36,000 miles. Alex's car already has both. Every repair from here? Alex pays, out of pocket. 2 years in, Ryan's car has lost $9,500 in value. Alex has paid $1,200 in interest alone. 2 years in, Ryan still feels safe. Alex still feels smart. Neither one has checked the real math. Year 3. Ryan's new car isn't so new anymore, and he's thinking about upgrading. He checks what he still owes on the loan, $19,800. Then he checks what his car is actually worth now, $16,500. Ryan owes more than his car is worth. That's called being underwater. If Ryan sells today, he writes a check just to walk away, $3,300 out of his pocket. Alex checks his loan too, $14,200 left. His car, worth $15,800. Alex is above water. Every payment brings him closer to owning it outright. Ryan's loan is fighting his car's value. Alex's loan is shrinking towards zero. Same word, completely different direction. Let's stop looking at moments. Let's look at the whole picture. 3 years, start to finish. If you only count what's on the monthly bill, payment, insurance, gas, here's where they stand. Ryan, $33,400 paid. Zero repairs. Alex, $21,400 paid, plus $2,800 in repairs since the warranty ran out. On this math, Ryan looks like he's losing. $33,400 versus $24,200. But this math is incomplete. It's missing the biggest cost of owning any car. Depreciation, the value your car loses every single year, whether you drive it or not. According to AAA, depreciation is the single biggest cost of owning a new car. Bigger than insurance, bigger than gas, bigger than maintenance combined. Ryan's $32,000 car is worth $16,500 after 3 years. That's $15,500 in lost value. Money that's gone, whether he sells or not. Add that loss to what Ryan already paid, then subtract what his car is still worth. His real 3-year cost, $13,828. Alex's car already took its biggest hit before he bought it. His car lost far less, about $1,200, over the same 3 years. Add his repairs, subtract what his car is still worth. Alex's real 3-year cost, $8,352. The real scoreboard, $13,828 for Ryan, $8,352 for Alex, a $5,476 gap, hidden entirely behind 2 monthly payments that looked almost the same. This is what the real math meant from the very beginning. Not the sticker price, not the monthly payment. The cost of what you spend, minus what you still own. The scoreboard isn't the whole story either. Ryan's insurance is quietly higher too. New cars cost more to insure than the same model used. Insurers price the car at full replacement value. That's another cost Ryan didn't put on the scoreboard. But Ryan's bigger risk isn't insurance. It's what happens if he trades in early. Remember, he's underwater by $3,300. If he rolls that $3,300 into a new loan, he's not starting at zero. He's starting in the hole. This is called negative equity rollover. It's one of the most common traps for new car buyers. Now let's flip to Alex's side. Used cars carry their own risks too. An undisclosed accident history can hide real problems under a clean-looking car. A vehicle history report costs around $40. Skipping it can cost thousands. Two different traps. Same root cause, not checking the full cost before signing. If I stopped here, I'd be lying to you. Because there are real situations where buying new is the smarter move. First, 0% financing. Several manufacturers offer it right now for well-qualified buyers. At 0%, Ryan's interest cost disappears completely. That alone can erase thousands from his side of the scoreboard. Second, reliability matters when you can't afford surprises. If a surprise repair bill would actually hurt you, that warranty has a real value beyond the math. Now, the other side of this story. Alex's deal isn't automatically the win it looks like either. The used car market isn't cheap anymore. A typical 3-year-old car now sells for $30,000 to $522. That's only about $17,000 less than buying new. 10 years ago, that gap was much bigger. And remember, Alex's interest rate is almost double Ryan's. On a longer loan, that gap compounds. Neither deal is automatically right. It depends on your credit, your model, your market, your timing. What never depends on any of that? Checking the real number before you sign anything. Remember the beginning? Ryan thought he won. Alex thought he won too. Neither of them was wrong about the monthly payment. They were wrong about what it was hiding. The real math was never about new versus used. It was about visible versus hidden. Next time you're standing in a dealership, don't ask, what's the monthly payment? Ask, what will this actually cost me when I sell it, fix it, or trade it in? That question is worth more than any number on the sticker. There's one more option neither Ryan nor Alex considered. Paying cash with no loan at all. And that math, it might surprise you even more than this one did. Before you sign anything, new, used, or anything in between, do the real math first. If this changed how you'll buy your next car, that's the whole point of this channel. Drop a comment. Are you Team Ryan or Team Alex? Subscribe. The cash math comes next.